Kia ora, so a lot of people have asked me to provide a bit of a tutorial on how to play E Te Iwi E, so here is my tutorial for you on how to play it and how to play the guitar. So don't be too worried about my singing, which isn't that fantastic, but hopefully just through working out how to do the strumming and the chords and all the rest of it, all those little nuances, you can learn how to play this. So first thing is the chords. It's played in C with an F and a G, right? C, F, G. Now, for how I play these chords, C, that's an open C. F, you can play it like that as a bar chord. I like to play it like that, and I'll explain why in a minute. And then G, you can also play G as a bar chord. But the reason I play it like this is because you'll notice that my hand doesn't actually move, so it's very simple. Alright, so that's the chords. Now with the C, you'll notice too that I've got this finger, rather than playing it like the basic open chord that it is, I actually put my finger up here on the G, because the G just sounds really nice with the C chord, versus if you hit that as an E string, it doesn't quite sound as nice. So I always have that one on top. So that's it, C, F, and G. However you want to play it, doesn't really matter, but they're the chords. Now, the strumming, I've heard people call this the Moldy strum pattern, all those sorts of things. I don't really know how to explain it. I'll try and talk you through it, but that's kind of what I was doing before. The down. And you see when I finish it, I'll show you from this angle too. My palm hits down on it, and that's how it gets that little tick sound, because the strings hit down on the fretboard. When you're hitting the strings, I'm hitting them pretty much with all these three fingers. I'll show you from this angle. And on the upstroke, that's with the back of my thumb. Okay, so moving on to the actual sound of the song. So it's played in the key of C. So if you're singing it, you'll want to be in C. So if I play this C string, da, da, you go to a G, da, A, da, F, da, 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 da. So you want to be in that C range. Now the thing with this particular Waiata, you can't really sing it at that octave, so have a Google of what octaves are if you don't know what they are, but this song, when you sing it, it actually gets sung in the next octave up, which is this C. Da, da, which for me makes it a little bit hard to sing. See, I can't really sing it as it's sung up here. Iwi e, karanga, karanga, e te iwi e. Kua ke mai nei, kua ke mai nei, ki runga te marae e. Okay, so you kind of have to sing it up a little bit higher. When you start the song, you will hear this little bit of an intro, and I've heard lots of different intros over the years. I'm sure you have too. Ngā iwi e, ngā hau e whā, ngā waka e whitu. So it'll have that intro, and then it'll go to the karanga, and then when it does that, you want to go from your C to a C seventh. And what that is, you go back to the open C and you want to put your little finger here on the G string here, and that'll take it. You'll hear. Listen to this. This is what the change from the from the major chord to the 7th sounds like. Right. Ngā iwi e karanga, and then into it. Ngā iwi e karanga, karanga e te iwi e. Kua eke mai nehi, kua eke mai nei, ki runga te marae e. Māori a mai raha, Māori a mai raha, e ngā mate o te motu e. Ki ngā tini roi mata, ki ngā tini roi mata, e maringi whānui e. And this bit we go back to the 7th again, when we go, oh, titi roi ngā, oh, titi roi ngā iwi, titi roi ngā iwi, ki ngā wahi o te motu, e oro ake nehi e. That's pretty much the song. Ruana te whenua, pati pati te moana. Au e te aroha, au e te aroha, te mamaia hau e. You can drop back to that. Just that's the little thing you can do at the end. Ia hau e. Down to the A minor. And that's pretty much how to play that Waiata. Let me know down in the comments what else you want to hear. Let me know how you're going learning this song. If you're just trying to learn the guitar altogether, hopefully that's a nice easy Waiata for you to put together. Got to remember the chords. You got to remember the strumming. You got to remember the key that you're singing in. And I do apologise for the screaming baby behind me. So let me know how you go with this Waiata. Kia ora.